Hi students, today I'm going to show you how to do your final presentations for Prep for Small Business Part 2 for winter 2021. You don't need to do too much. I'll show you very simply how to do it. So there are two ways you can do this. You can do a Google Slides or PowerPoint slideshow with just 4 slides, or you can show me your web page if you have one. If you have a web page with About Us and My Story or something like that, you can show your web page. Otherwise, you can just show a Google Slides presentation or a PowerPoint presentation of your homepage. So you either show me your homepage on your website or a Google Slides PowerPoint presentation of your homepage. So I'm going to first start with Google Slides. So how do you find Google Slides? You go to edmail.com and you'll see a little icon in the corner. If you click that, it will show you all different things that you have that you can use, and one of them is slides. So I've already opened the slides here. And if you want to start a new slideshow, you just click the plus symbol here and it will open up a new slideshow. These are all different slideshows that my students have made or I have made, and this is the one that I did today. So it's pretty easy. You just create the slides by pushing a plus symbol. So if I push the plus, I can start typing About Us, and then I might put in my About Us information here if you want. Okay, so you can talk about your company. My company sells soap, whatever it is, okay? So you'll just type out About Us. What is your mission statement? What is your, what products are you selling? Who are your customers? So anything about us that you want to share with the class, okay? And my example is on Canvas if you'd like to look at it. Okay, so basically I don't need this slide. That was just an example. I only have 4 slides. So the first slide is my business name and tagline. The second slide is About Us. So I just copied and pasted the information about my business here. The third slide is showing a sample of my product or service. In this case, I offer a travel service, so I don't have any products. And this is a picture of my service, a trip to Italy that I did in 2019 with a group of 9 people. And the last slide is my story. So I'm going to write about what are my experiences? What are my owner's qualifications? Why am I qualified to do this? Why do I like to do this? How do I have an interest in this? So anything about yourself that shows why you are doing the job that you, or the business that you would like to do. Okay, so those are just the 4 slides. So if I present it, I will say, well, I'm going to go back to slide number 1. Welcome to my presentation. My business is Earth Sister Travel, and my tagline is, "We take you places." Welcome to Earth Sister Travel. We take people on spiritual journeys all over the world. We focus on wellness and eco-travel. Traveling is not just about sightseeing, it's also about relaxing and tuning into the new environment and space. Many people work very hard at their jobs, and Earth Sister Travel tailors our trips to suit people who want to not only see new places, but also have deep, relaxing inner experiences. We focus on balancing wellness like yoga, organic meals, meditation, psychic readings, and shamanic rituals with connection to nature at breathtaking spiritual locations. From the rich history of Italy to the amazing red rock vortices of Sedona to the ancient city of Machu Picchu in Peru, we have something for everyone. Okay, and the next slide is talking about my services. So Earth Sister Travel, this is a sample of my service. Okay, you may show a sample of your product. I took a group to Italy in September 2019. We had a 7-night stay in a castle in Tuscany, a welcome dinner, trips to Siena, Florence, and Pisa, Italian cooking class, wine tasting, yoga. Oh, I put wine tasting twice. I guess it was very important. And swimming in the pool. These are services that I offered. I provided all the arrangements for this trip, so nobody had to do anything but get their airplane ticket to Italy. So this was an amazing experience, and I've done many of these trips. And my story, this is about me. Why am I doing this job? Why did I create this business? My name is Katherine Jenkins, and I'm the founder of Earth Sister Travel. I have spent my entire life seeking out deep inner travel experiences. I have always combined travel with meditation, yoga, intuitive writing, shamanic practices, drumming, juicing, hiking, sketching, walks in nature, etc. I'm an internationally published author and lead intuitive writing and wellness retreats all over the world. My book, Lessons from the Monk I Married, was a Lonely Planet top travel literature book of 2012. I was also a writer in residence for the first ever Hawaii Yoga Festival at Kalani on the big island of Hawaii in 2013, where I taught workshops on intuitive writing. Recently, I took a group of 9 people on retreat to a castle in Tuscany, Italy, where we sketched, journaled, hiked, did yoga, learned how to cook Italian food from a local chef, tuned into the land, and saw the amazing art and history of Siena, Pisa, and Florence. It brings me great joy to take people to places where they can not only see new things, but also have a deep inner experience that they can carry with them for life. Obviously, I have to edit this a little bit because I typed it very fast. So that's it. That's my presentation. I'm just doing 4 slides. So you can do 4 slides about your business and present that to the class. Or another option is to show your website. If you have one. If you don't, that's okay. We didn't have much time for you to focus on that this quarter. So if you don't have a website, you don't need to worry about it. You could just show a slideshow. I happen to have a WordPress website. I worked on this in my Part 2 class, and I haven't launched it yet, but this is my About Us page on my website. It's the same information that I just read to you, but I put it on a WordPress website, so it tells you about us and my story. And I put in some pictures. So there's a picture of me in Italy here. And then it has some reviews. For example, Kathy and Scott took us on an amazing once-in-a-lifetime journey I will never forget. And then I put a contact information on this page with a phone number, not real phone number, not real website, but you get the idea. So if you have a page that you want to show to the class that talks about your business, about what you do, your service, your offerings, your products, and you want to talk about your story, if you have a web page, you can show the class. If not, please use slideshow. You can do either one because we did not have a chance to focus on websites too much this quarter. Okay? So I look forward to seeing your presentations. Please look at the assignment on Canvas also in the module for last week on how you can write your information. And so hopefully some of you on Tuesday, March 9th, you will do your presentations during our regular class time from 1:40 to 3:30. Okay, so I hope some of you will be able to do that. Okay, thanks. Bye.